Traders high. It's still morning barely. A little bit late to this one. We're going to do 2 months of back testing here. Still on the pound US dollar, Bollinger Band version 3 method. So look, if you haven't been following previously, I do 10 years of back testing. So that's obviously got a little bit more work to do. At 28 months process so far. 1.73% return, 60% probability. So, a 60% win rate's not bad. The profit factor is 1.44. Ideally, really, I want that over 2. 2.5 would be perfect. So, lagging a little bit. Anyway, we'll get into this. First, I like just to zoom out a little bit, get a daily perspective. Okay. The concern that I do have, sorry, I should try and incorporate a little more dialogue into this, but it's just approaching that resistance level. So what could happen is it could just bounce off it. So I'm probably going to let this one go until it gets to it. I mean, there was money to be made there, but you just don't get those great runners because it's going to encounter this and then react off this level, which I use the weekly time frame to establish. That's how I sort of find my support and resistance areas. You see what I mean? So that'd be frustrating. I mean, you might have ended entering here, so that's pretty good price action actually. All right. This might be the break. You see what I did there? I sort of waited. I didn't just sort of get in. Previously I would have, but what can happen is this, it just sort of fakes out like it's a false break, and that's pretty common, honestly. I think it's a lot of traders. It's just the more and more you do this sort of stuff, the better. I know these don't get a lot of views, these videos. I'm just hopefully whoever does watch these is backtesting as well. It's an extremely helpful tool. This hasn't been really good price action yet, is there? We're 5 pips above the high there. If I can execute that. Very large stop that. It's going to have to be adjusted. And, still pretty much 10,000. Okay, so that's in place. That's not. That's always terrible when you get triggered like that. Oh man. If that hadn't triggered, I would have probably cancelled the order, but it did. Yeah. I think that was inevitable what was going to happen there. Oh, now I'm back in a bit of drawdown. No, yippee. And it's pretty much 2 months done. That was just unlucky, really. If I was to do my analysis now, I would just have like a frowny face. There was nothing really wrong with that setup. It sort of had a bounce and was heading up a bit. Not to be, guys. Right, we'll continue onwards. A little bit of drawdown. Yippee. I'll just finish this off. We're nearly at 30 months. Okay, so that's 30 months there, guys. And I'll save it up. Thank you for watching. Just the one trade. And I'll upload this right now as well. Bye, guys.